friends, I'm so excited that I found a document camera. Mine is still not fixed, but I found one that I can borrow. So yesterday you started working on My Future's So Bright, okay? If you did not finish that, you have time to finish that today. Remember, you're telling me what you want to be when you grow up, where you want to live, what you hope to drive, how you hope to be or who you hope to be, and what you'll always remember. Make sure that you're using complete sentences. Go back through, make sure that every sentence has a capital letter. Make sure that every sentence has a punctuation mark. You should have at least 5 sentences. So this is a pretty decent amount of writing, okay? At least 5 sentences. Go through, work on this, finish this, go through and edit it. Make sure you have 5 sentences. So that means I should at least see 5 capital letters and 5 punctuation marks. But also make sure that it sounds good. Make sure that it sounds like something that I might read in a newspaper or in a book. Okay, we're practicing being good writers. For the project that goes along for this, you're going to need that second sheet of blank paper and the sunglass template. So you are going to cut around the black part of the sunglasses. I'm going to do the same thing, and then I'll meet you right back here. Alrighty then. I cut my sunglasses out. So what you're going to want to do is put your sunglasses, I don't know how to make this zoom out. So you don't want your sunglasses all the way at the tip top because we're going to draw our head around the sunglasses. But we also don't want them to be at the very bottom. So it's a little higher than halfway. So like closer to the top than the bottom, but not right at the top. So I want my sunglasses to be about here. And then I'm going to hold them and trace them. They're going to hang off the paper and not fit all the way on the paper. That's okay because it's going to make it look like you are wearing your sunglasses. So we're tracing the sunglasses. Or maybe over a little bit far, that's okay. Okay, take them off. I have my sunglasses. Now we want to draw us. So we're going to draw an oval behind our sunglasses. This is our big old noggin. Okay. Our sunglasses are large, so our face has to be large. Maybe you have a chin. Well, I don't mean maybe. You do have a chin, but maybe you draw your chin. Okay, and then I always like to draw with a pencil so that way I can make the lines that I want and erase the lines that I don't want. So here's my face. Here's my little very pointy chin and my head. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself a nose. That's not at all what my nose looks like. So you get to pick how you decorate. You should give yourself a nose for sure. You should give yourself a mouth. Okay, you don't have to be smiling that big. That's up to you. You should give yourself some hair because all of you have hair. Okay, I'm going to give myself some long hair. Sometimes I like to wear my hair down. So it's going to go down over my face, kind of come down like this. And then I'm going to do the same to the other side. In the glasses, that is where you're going to draw your picture of what your future is. So maybe in one side of the glasses, I might draw where I hope to live with the car that I hope to drive with the background. So maybe if I hope to live in California on the beach coast driving a convertible, I'm going to draw like an ocean and palm trees and the shining sun, and then my convertible is going to be in the front of the ocean, like on the sand. And then over here, maybe I want to be a vet out in California. Maybe I want to be a movie star out in California. Whatever you want to be, you can draw in your other sunglass lens. So the picture is of you. Those two glasses are going to be an image showing what you hope your future holds. Okay? Where do you hope to be? Where do you hope to live? What do you hope to do? That's where you're going to draw your picture that relates to the future. You have today to finish and work on your writing and your picture, and tomorrow. Tomorrow, it is due on Google Classroom. If you do need more time, that's okay too, but I thought maybe 3 days would be good. But let me know if you do need more time. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope that you have fun drawing yourself and drawing your future, and I can't wait to see your pictures of your future and read what you hope that your future holds.